What are we doing today? We are at Wille Truck Service, or Wille Enterprises here in Oregon, Wisconsin. They are a high-end diesel mechanic and just all around amazing shop. I am here with my lovely daughter Violet, and today we're completing a task. And I was just explaining to Violet that Brad and I are accountability partners, and in any event, business partners too in some ways. And this is just he did something that he was supposed to do. I'm now following up with something I'm supposed to do, and Violet was so kind of to come and help. We're going to install a great old American flag out in front of the newer shop here. They just moved in last year. Landscaping's just starting to come in. The grass is almost in all the way, although it needs a little more help. But yeah, I just wanted to share that this is what we're doing. Wish everyone an amazing, happy 4th of July. It feels really good to be free, even though I know the cost is just unbelievably higher than most of us can ever imagine. And right? And then there's this goofball. So we're gonna put up a flag, and we wish everybody a happy 4th of July and a happy Independence Day. Thanks so much. Got anything to say?
4th of July rules. Watch the fireworks.
Ah, fireworks. Yeah. Hey Violet, how's it going?
The digger it couldn't push any farther, so it kept slipping out, so I got 18 minutes.
What do you think? Just rocks?
I believe so.
Yeah, more rocks. Okay.
I just see a bunch of scuffed up rocks.
All right. Well, we don't need to go a whole lot further, so that's good. Well, digging this little hole has been a little bit harder than we thought, but we're doing great. We don't have much further to go. We only got to go 18 inches down, so.
I believe this is 18 inches.
Yeah, not quite, but we're close. We're close. Or 16 inches. Sorry, 16. Anyway, that's our update. We're a little warm. All right, we finally made it to the bottom of what seemed like a never-ending rocky hole. We now got the rapid set concrete mix in there. Violet measured out the water to how much?
2.5 quarts.
2.5 quarts. We measured it out, had a little help, and now she's mixing. I'm gonna help her.
My dad is mixing concrete. That water went away fast.
Yeah, some of it seeped into the ground by, so.
I'm gonna have to go get some more?
Yep, go get some more.
Okay. He's dripping buckets.
It was.
You do realize I'm taking video.
No, I didn't. But...
Need some more water?
Nope, we're perfect. Now, what we want to do by level this out, and then I'm going to need the phone to use as a level.
Okay. See y'all.
Well, that was fun. Violet, I just wanted to, number one, thank you. It was fun making a little video with you, putting in the flag. And did you have fun?
Oh yeah.
Was it hard?
Yes.
Was it hot? Yeah. And we cleaned up all our tools and everything else. Hopefully,
It's so hot that sometimes I felt like I was gonna go. Ugh.
but we hydrated and
Hydrate or die.
hydrate or die, right? I just wanted to say happy 4th to everybody again one last time. And anything you want to say to everybody? No? Happy 4th of
Go
July.
camping.
Go camping.
Watch fireworks. Have fun.
Have fun. I think that's a great piece of self-advice for us. Let's go have some fun.
Yes.
And advice for everybody. Enjoy our freedom.
Check out Fortnite.
Don't forget to check out Fortnite. Say bye-bye.
Bye.